In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons I chose to promote the Legacy Builder program. Now, if you don't know me, my name's Garrett and I've been online close to 10 years now. I've done tons of different programs over the years, and I'm going to share with you my top 5 reasons I believe the Legacy Builder program is an absolute game changer and the best program out there to join, especially if you're brand new, if you don't have any tech ability, and you want to make as much money as possible. Now, before I dive into the very first reason, there's going to be a link directly below. So at any point in this video, if you want to find out more about the Legacy Builder program, or if you actually want to get started, you can go ahead and click the link directly below. So the very first reason is 100% profit products. Okay, so what the products inside of the Legacy Builder program that you'll be promoting give you is 100% profit. So if you don't know what the concept of resell rights are, basically resell rights is when you can actually get rights to a product and resell them as if they're your own. This program is not like multi-level marketing or network marketing where you have to give a large percent to an upline. This isn't like affiliate marketing where you have to give a large portion to the product creator. When you join this program, you get access to these amazing, valuable digital products in the e-learning industry, which is the fastest growing industry, and you get 100% resell rights, which gives you 100% profit, and you get paid instantly. So when someone purchases, they're going to give you that money directly. You know, if you've ever promoted something on, let's say, ClickBank, or again, like a network marketing business, you know how painful that is to do the work of marketing and then you have to give a large portion away, or you have to wait a long time to get the money. This literally solves that because it pays you instantly. The second thing I love is automation. Okay, so with this program, you literally get access to a totally free 24/7 running automated system that converts your leads even while you're sleeping. The amazing thing about this system that you get access to as a free bonus when you get started in this program is that it does all the following and selling for you. So if you don't want to experience rejection, if you don't want to experience hearing no, you're never going to have to worry about that because this will follow up with people. It has built-in pre-written emails that are very high converting that will start following up with your leads for you while you're out with your friends and family, while you're walking around in the park, doing the work for you, which allows you to literally wake up to commissions being made. If you've ever experienced the pain of trying to keep track of everyone to follow up with in your business, or you've ever dealt with, you know, that icky feeling of hearing someone say, oh, is this a pyramid scheme, or I'm not interested, you're never going to have to hear that again because you don't even know who joins you, right? Or maybe someone's not interested and they just opt out of the emails and you never even notice, and you just focus on getting clicks or traffic to the products. That's all you have to do. Everything else is completely done for you, and that's what I absolutely love. Number 3 is the 2-hour workday. Okay, so what I love about this specific program is they teach you exactly what to do in 2 hours or less to get all your income producing activities done. Everyone inside of our community is following the same proven process, and this gives you massive time freedom. So if you've ever dreamt about being able to travel, if you've ever dreamt about being able to just pursue a passion while you're still generating income, this gives you that solution, right? Now you may be wondering, what does this workday actually consist of? There's 2 main processes that we teach inside of the program. Number 1 is posting copy-paste ads on high traffic websites for free. Okay, this is free marketing. And what happens is people that go to those websites will see the ad that's proven to work, and if they're interested, they'll respond to that ad, and then you just send them your link, right? There's no tech involved in this business. You get access to your own custom link and your own custom website, and you just send interested people your website, and the website will follow up. The website will do all the selling for you. Another thing that we teach is creating 2 to 3 pieces of content. Now this can be in the form of text, this can be a photo you post on social media, this could be a video like a TikTok or a YouTube video. You don't have to show your face, and you don't have to, you know, do videos if you don't want to, but in that 2 hours, you get that done, and that will attract people to you. People will find your ads or they'll find your content, and when they're interested, they'll go to your link without you even knowing who went to your link, which is absolutely incredible. And again, this allows you to not deal with rejection. You're not gonna have to cold direct message people. You're not gonna have to pick up the phone. You know, I'm a very introverted person. I don't like bothering people. I don't like, talking to a lot of people. It drains my energy. So with this, I just post 2 to 3 pieces of content. I copy and paste a couple free ads, and I send people to the website, and the website does all the work, and I'm able to literally generate up to $900 commissions paid directly and instantly to my bank account while I'm out with my friends and family. It's absolutely incredible. And again, you can find out more at the link below. The 4th reason, though, I love the Legacy Builder program is for the community. Okay, so we have, at the time of recording this video, we have over 13,000 members inside of our community that are absolutely amazing, supportive people. So if you've ever joined something, maybe you've joined an affiliate program or a network marketing company or a business opportunity, and you felt stranded, you felt alone, you felt like you didn't have any help. You're never gonna experience that with the Legacy Builder program. When you join, you instantly, no matter what level, in the 4 different levels you can join at, no matter what level you join at, you get access to our school community. Okay, this school is a platform where we host our community and everyone gets to join. And if you ever have a question that's not covered in the training or you don't understand something, you just simply post it inside of that community. Or if you want to connect with other people, if you want to just join forces with a massive group of people with the same goal, which is to make 6 or 7 figures this year, you're going to be able to do that inside this community. I absolutely love it because I've joined things in the past so many times and you didn't get the help. There was nobody there for you. So I absolutely love this. And my last but certainly not least favorite thing is the live training calls. Okay, so what you get access to inside of the Legacy Builder program is you actually get access to live weekly training Zoom calls where you can actually get on Zoom and you can talk to a 6 and 7 figure earner. Okay, they'll open it up to questions. They'll also go out, break everyone up into breakout rooms so you can role play. Okay, if you want to practice your content or if you want to get answers, and they'll also teach. In fact, at the time of recording this video, earlier today, I attended a live training because I myself am constantly learning, and it was absolutely incredible. They're sharing up to date. Today was about TikTok, and I actually learned myself up to date TikTok strategies to get even more views, leads, and sales. So you're always learning, and you get to plug in. At no matter what level you join, you can still attend the live training calls. Okay. All of this, it's just a one-time payment to join this program. There's no monthly fees. It's a one-time investment no matter what level you join, and you can access all of this. So this is why I personally decided to run with the Legacy Builder program after doing tons of other programs online. Again, if you want access to this, right? Success loves speed. Go to the link directly below, put your best email into my website, and I'll shoot you over more information. And you'll also be able to get access to the page to join. And one other amazing thing is if you're in the United States watching this, we even have payment plans where you can break up those payments. You can join at the highest level, the $900 level, and you can break that up in typically 4 easy to pay payments to join at the highest level and still start this process. Okay, so it's absolutely incredible. I just had to shoot this video. If you have any questions, you can either comment them directly below or respond to one of my emails, and I'll be sure to answer you there. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.